vision. Keep me on the money mission. Believe na me dreams, me believe na the vision. And when me 30 mil me fi sit down, na just me ambition. Ambition. Keep me on the money mission. Something about me ambition. Ambition. Yo, hustle every day, me no waste time.
Vlogging. Oh my god. Janelle, I want to go that area, you know? I want to get over, but I love it. Like, it's a bittersweet moment.
Look at all my friends out here being
Grown adults.
Let's say adults. Let's say exist. These are like feeling apart as
Hi guys, good morning. Yeah man. Alright guys, so today we are going to the beach. We're going to the beach. We're going to Waves Beach. It's going to be a group of us that used to go to the same high school, so that should be very fun. As always, representing for Donsry and my little nappy crop top. You guys can cop these. I'll have the info in the description. Alright, I'm gonna have my little jeans and thing. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna need more beads. I go for some more beads. So it's a nice sunny day. We're waiting on our ride to come pick us up. This is Janelle. Y'all would have met her in my other vlog with the photo shoot and thing. So we are waiting for Scribble to come pick us up, and I will of course show you guys what happens today. I really think it's going to be a very fun time. We have not seen each other, in some of us, since high school graduation. Yeah, let me just realize that. I'm looking forward to seeing how everybody has changed and evolved, and I have a feeling not much has changed, to be honest, except little features, and somehow we probably gained like a weight and them thing and became parents. But I'm truly excited for today, so stay tuned. Nothing but spicy. Spicy breast.
how are these dollars put it was supposed to be for them to hand
Guys, this is Ziggy.
Hey guys.
Aquino aka Ziggy.
Yeah.
Right?
Tell him tambourine seed.
What this man done, you know? Scribble, pick up the KFC, guys. I so.
Now the one where Chuggy keep on the one before. Remember say Chuggy keep weird on this upon this I see him already, you know? Yeah.
me do a road.
Different. But at the same time, them over there try it. So you coming over there as your assistant.
Yeah, they are Jamaica. We are custom for the Jamaica. What I do? Now coming at a man meet me. I want keep. It's what?
Out here, you know, we just have.
Dad! What I do, like seriously?
Watch
I need to switch it up more.
Watch out this time what we're gonna
Ziggy, that should have run me, please. I don't know, Janor. Ladies, his name is Janor Dick. And I don't think he's taken, I think he's single. May I sell it right now, yes. So he's sliding out the messages. May I drop him Instagram in the description? Yeah, he's not from here, okay? What we are doing?
It's about accident though.
Guys, what we are doing?
Oh, we are go. Alright, everybody just see that
I should need to know what we're doing.
Nice.
People are really come. Go and find out. 1, 2.
But we have a sovereign, no sir.
So we're gonna turn.
Turn right to the gas station.
Yeah.
Right to the gas station.
10 grand, one boss. We from America, that man. Y'all for the ends, young shop that. Longer than a great name. Push up, but we have vacate. I ain't even know how me and Mars exchange ways. But you could but APH, DNA.
That was really aggressive.
I'm never catching my bag.
Girl, I'm gonna try to catch
Hello, gunmanship, man. It's a first day.
That's a pay good my bills.
Oh
my god. Why have one of them like say
video.
Watch money. Come true, Mama Evie, come true.
Every like a Chevy.
I know we're so grown. Aren't you proud?
Girl. Yo, Anita, sit down here, Anita.
Biggie so down away.
I don't know what we did. We went to the beach.
Me want to go beach because
Oh, sorry.